Now, what is meant by mean deviation? The word mean deviation means to what extent a particular value is deviating from the measure of central tendency. We know mean is the measure of central tendency. So in mean deviation, what we find is to what extent the mid value, to what extent the mid value or the mean deviates from other values. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഓരോ വാല്യൂകളും മീനിൽ നിന്ന് എന്തുമാത്രം മാറിയാണ് വരുന്നത് എന്ന് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നതാണ് mean deviation. So mean deviation is expressed with the formula. Mean deviation is represented by MD, that's equal to sigma modulus x minus x bar the whole by n. Again I repeat, when we want to find the mean deviation is calculated using the formula MD is equal to sigma x minus x bar the whole by n. So let us analyze this formula. What is sigma? The words or the symbol sigma means to add, to sum. Use after sigma, whatever values are coming, just take the sum. That is summation. Sigma is summation. Second one is x. What is x? X is observation or values. How many observations we are having? The variables are represented as x. We all know what is x bar. What is x bar? X bar is mean value or mean. How we get this x bar? X bar is obtained by adding the values, adding the number of variables divided by number of variables, adding the magnitude of variables divided by n. Now what is this n? N is the number of observation. So for an individual series or a simple data set, we can calculate mean deviation using the formula MD is equal to sigma modulus x minus x bar by n. We discussed about what is sigma, that is summation. X means number of observation or values, x bar is the mean, n is the number of observation. Now what is this modulus symbol stands for? Why? There are two straight lines are there and they are called the modulus. Now what is the function of this modulus? എന്താണ് modulus in the function? What is the use of modulus? Whatever value we present between the modulus, we can ignore the symbol. രണ്ട് സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ് ലൈനിന്റെ ഇടയിൽ ഏത് ഈ മോഡുലസ് സിമ്പൽ ഒന്നും അതിന്റെ അർത്ഥം എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അതിനിടയിൽ വരുന്ന വാല്യൂസിന്റെ സൈൻ നമ്മൾ നോക്കേണ്ടത്. ജസ്റ്റ് ഫർഗെറ്റ് അബൌട്ട് ദ സൈൻ. അതിനിടയിലുള്ള സൈൻ നമ്മൾ നോക്കുക വേണ്ട. സോ മോഡുലസ് എക്സ് മൈനസ് എക്സ് ബാർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് യു ഫൈൻഡ് എക്സ് ബാർ, then you find the difference of each value from x bar. Just don't consider the sign, whether that value is positive or negative. Now you add the values, that is sigma modulus x minus x bar. Then you divide it with n, number of observations. Let us see what are the steps to be followed when we want to do a mean deviation. നമ്മൾ ഒരു mean deviation എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. See, this is a solved problem. See, we have calculated the mean deviation about the mean using the following data. We have 8 values. What are the values? 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. What we do here, first find out the sum of all terms. So find out the mean. എങ്ങനെ mean കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്? Mean is represented by x bar. X bar is equal to sigma x by n. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? Add the values and divide by number of observations. ഇവിടെ എത്ര വാല്യൂ ഉണ്ട്? 8 വാല്യൂ. ഏതൊക്കെയാണത്? 6 അധികം. So to find the deviation, to find the mean, these are the values 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. So we added these values 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12. Now we divided it by 8. So we got the summation. We got sigma x or x bar, or when we added the value sigma x, we got as 72. Then we divided it with n. So 72 by 8, we got 9. Okay. So now what we got? We got x bar. So x bar of this data series is, what is the x bar of this data series? The x bar of this data series is 9. So we got average or mean. We got mean by adding total number of values divided by number of values. Now what we have to do? We have to find x minus x bar. I told you in the beginning the formula is sigma x minus x bar by n. So we find out x bar. What is x bar? X bar is average. We find out by sigma x by n. Now we want to find x minus x bar. Okay. How can we find out x minus x bar? Look at this table. So we have the mean. As I told you, we have the mean 9. So we have the values here x 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4 and 8. These are the variables. 8 variables what we have. So what we have to do? We have to do the x minus x bar. How can we do it? What is x bar? X bar is 9. So what is our formula? X minus x bar. So what is first x? 6. So 6 minus 9. So that is minus 3, right? 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Second variable is 7. So 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2. Third one is 10. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Both one value is 12. So 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. 13. Next variable is 13. So 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Another value is 4. So 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5. Next one is 8. 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. Next is 12. So 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. See, always you should be very careful that we should only do x minus x bar. X bar minus x alla cheyandadu. X minus your variable minus mean. So we got these values. Now what we have to do? Now we have to do the modulus. What is modulus? See these values. This is x minus x bar. So we got minus 3, minus 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 5, minus 1 and 3. Now, what is modulus? When we take these values between two straight lines, this minus 3 become 3, minus 2 become 2, 1 become 1, 3 become 3, 4 become 4, minus 5 again become 5, minus 1 become 1, 3 become 3. So, with these variables, we found out what is x minus x bar. And when we applied modulus, so all the values become signless. Now we find out. Our formula is sigma modulus x minus x bar the whole by n. Okay. So we find out x bar. Now we find out x minus x bar. So x minus x bar is with sign. So then we apply the modulus. So when we apply the modulus, it becomes signless. Now we did the summation. We sum it with x minus x bar. So we got the value 22. So sigma modulus x minus x bar is 22. Now what we should do? So the next step is mean deviation is equal to sigma x minus x bar by n. So that is 22. X minus x bar is 22. N is number of observation. N is 8. So we divided sigma x minus x bar by 8. So we got the value 2.57. 22 by 8 is equal to 2.75. So can you do this kind of a problem? Is it possible to do a problem like this?